Hey friends, if you wish to disable location detection in Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select settings from the menu. Now type the word site settings and go to site settings, and then you'll have to find location here. So by default, there is a certain permission which says sites can access your location. So this has been expanded to all requests, and this is a risky permission. So if you don't want sites to access your location at all, then select this option. Even if you selected it, sites can ask your permission. Then yet it will not give permission directly. It will ask your permission first. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.